ocean view. We got a little bit of the view right there. We got a little bit of the view right over there. If we were on the second floor, we'd have probably a full ocean view, but we are at the Wyndham Cozumel Hotel and Resort in Cozumel, Mexico. Where are we, David?
On fucking vacation.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
After all that time trying to figure out the conversion rate.
It was pretty gross, so it's okay. I'm not that sad about it. There's a lot of people, like if you look, there's people's dive suits.
Oh, hanging from the, yeah.
I don't know if I can zoom in enough, but there are dive suits hanging from that balcony. And then there are more dive suits hanging from that balcony. So this must be a good spot or whatever. They have, yeah, this hotel has a, like a small reef, like coral, where you can go snorkeling and stuff. Look at this. You get a nice walk-in for probably a scuba or a snorkeling class. Yeah, when you learn to dive. That's really cool. Not sure if you can see because of the sunset, but there is a bunch of people over here like with snorkeling gear. This is their reef, and you can see right here where
It's partitioned off.
yeah, it's partitioned off right here. This is like a swimming, snorkeling area. Look at this beautiful. This is just amazing.
You see right in the butt, this is
Yeah, I'm gonna drop my camera in the ocean. I don't think the camera does it justice, but you can see it's like clear as day water. A beautiful sunset in Cozumel, Mexico. A beautiful lighthouse.
We can get in over here and swim. It looks like at least somebody is.
We're in Cozumel, you guys. One-way ticket to Mexico. Can you believe it?
Should have timed this.
All right, we just walked out of our hotel and we are walking to try to find some waterfront dinner. As soon as we started to leave the compound, they were like, do you want to, there was 2 taxis already on the compound. And they were like, do you guys want a taxi for dinner? And we said, no, we want to walk. And they're like, okay. They didn't say like, oh no, don't walk. And they didn't pressure us to take a taxi, but there are taxis like right now sitting at our resort. Place on the beach called Janine's? And most entrees were less than $10 American. You can play in Visa, American, or pesos.
You make jokes that we can dance on those right here.
And we were here like 3 minutes before happy hour, and we ordered a single drink, but he brought us 2 so we could get the happy hour special. So I'm drinking a sea breeze, and David has a margarita.
I have my 3rd and 4th margarita here.
It's good. It's nice. We're on the water, but you can't really tell because it's too dark.
We won't have it.
What? Is it spicy? Is it really spicy? Are you dying?
I'm okay.
Are you dying of spice?
No, it's not even spicy at all.
You're not going to eat any more of it?
No,
I think he said like tornado or something.
A little hot. Wow. Wow.
Is that spicy?
Yeah.
Is it like the bomb?
It was delicious.
Alright, I'm going to try it.
Okay.
You acted like you were dying.
I was. And I am.
I took the tiniest little bit. David, oh, you're putting, see, like you're doing it again. You said it was that spicy, but here you are putting stuff on it. Put some on my chip.
Well, remember, I had the spicy thing on the spoon.
You're literally putting it back in the bowl.
Nope. Watch the replay. You moved your chip.
See if I die or not.
No, you need more than that. Holy shit.
It's a little spicy. It's good.
There's actual flavor to it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
From that little bit?
Like I can't get the pico on here.
Told you. More difficult than it looks.
I'm gonna move the pico in my mouth.
I use that spoon for a spicy house.
Fuck.
You just scoop the spicy oil in your mouth.
It's spicy. So I got the filet fish with garlic. And it is amazing looking. And what did you get, baby?
The golden fried chicken tacos.
Golden fried chicken tacos. We'll see how good everything tastes here in a minute. And I think all this food and our drinks is going to be like $25 or so. We'll have to do. You're not going to eat your taco with your hands? No, I was joking. I was totally joking. Do not do that. I don't think that's how you're supposed to eat it. Oh my goodness.
Good.
It looked delicious. Alright, so it's like garlic. I essentially got garlic fish. You could get garlic or butter. I was hoping for both, but it looks like I just got garlic. But it looks really good. It's gonna be very garlicky. You can see like these huge, huge amounts of garlic, and you can smell it too.
You're gonna smell lovely later. Mm-hmm. Just taste like anything besides garlic.
It's very, very good. Very garlicky. But I'm not sure what type of fish it is, and it didn't say in the menu what kind of fish it was, but it's good.
It's fish.
It's a fish. This is a great place. The servers were very friendly. The food was really good. The drinks were good. The atmosphere was great. She was a great hostess. My camera just died, so we're on the cell phone footage.
We've only been jumped one time.
That's not true.
Twice.
This is the meal room for us. And then you can see right here is the Christmas market that we went to earlier. Oh yeah, there's people on stage now. But we had our dinner. It was amazing. I would recommend that restaurant.
Right across from the Mega.
Right across the street from the Mega, on the beach. Great prices, great choices. The menu was really big. It was in English and Spanish.
4 alcoholic drinks, 2 entrees, chips, salsa, $28.
$28. They accepted Visa, they accepted pesos, they accepted American
He said he'd take
dollar.
our shoes too. He's like, I accept Visa, your shoes.
Your shoes. So the servers were great, had great personalities, spoke English. It was very friendly, great.
Polite, y'all.
Yeah, very polite.
Good atmosphere.
Atmosphere was great. Yeah, and it's like I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 minute walk to the Wyndham. So we're walking back to Wyndham now. As you can see, it's very well lit. There's lots of lights. There's lots of street lights. There's lots of tourists.
But I don't get a sense that anybody's trying to rip anybody off. I had one interaction with someone that spoke no English selling something, and they were more aggravated that I had too much money rather than have the right amount.
And so we're walking back. We're gonna get into the hot tub.
We got 2 hours till it closes.
And
Get a good
you can
night's
hear
sleep.
the music. You can see. Right here, you can see where the road is. You can see like the bazaar that's behind us, and there are still people running.
Yeah.
There are still people exercising.
A white woman jogging at 7 o'clock at night next to it.
Yeah. Palm trees taking you out. You got runners. So yeah. But yeah, so I feel safe. I am holding a expensive cell phone, and I don't feel like someone's gonna run past me and grab my phone and run
I'm worried about the
away.
storage on my cell phone.
Look at this bug right here. It's like a bug, but it's also a convertible truck.
Yeah. It's like El Camino bug.
El Camino bug. And you got like 2 grocery stores. That's a grocery store.
Remember, this is a Sunday night in December.
Yep.
Sunday night in December.
Sunday night in December. You can see what I'm wearing. I am literally wearing my hand apparently. I'm literally wearing a wet bathing suit and like a silk cover, like a silk bathing suit cover. David's wearing swim shorts and a t-shirt. We're both wet. It's December and we're warm. I am a lizard. I'm a lizard person. I need a sun lamp wherever I go.
Or blanket.
Blanket, and I feel very warm and very good. So it's in December in Cozumel. It's warm.
And we'll
At
check
least-
in with you at the hot tub because I'm not using any more memory on the phone. We're not even on the ship yet. We have 5 more days of this, and I'm almost full already. So we're gonna cut it off there.
All right, see you later. Bye.